the most interest places, right? Yeah. Lampu Beach, Masya Allah. It's refresh your mind. Coach cross mind, right? You got cross mind. Eki ngomong. Eki ngomong. Like a girl. Eki ngomong like a girl. Lagi wainong ya gede. Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah.
And if you go in the afternoon, maybe you can enjoy some sunset at the end of the day. This is
Alright, question. Right, how many single time did you went to Eki Momong or Lampu Beach since you were in Aceh? The first time. Eki Momong. So what did you do there?
just enjoy some food and enjoy the view.
Did you take picture there? Alright. How many are you there? 5. Alright. This is the most beautiful interest in your life nowadays, right? Eki Momong. What are the other places?
I never go to
Oh yeah. Never. Never all. Wow.
I want to go back to Wisconsin.
You? Not at all. Once. You? Never. You? Never. Alright. I got bored there. Almost 10 times there. No, I'm bringing again. Bring again from Malaysia. Bring him there. Running question. No more question, right?